Kakertong kaseng NPP na long thamai ka kong Jasmine Lyngdoh kalong basisian balakha ka Iing Kabawan na kaseng Sainpyrthei kaladang lupa ka jing thamu bat ka jing mud ban shakri ya ka jait ban rio habakran ya kani ka kong Jasmine kalong ru banadu ka por jong pa jong ka uba PG mar banyang uhummen uba RG Lyngdoh bat ka kong Amprin Lyngdoh kilapin I lupa ya ka nuksa bat kilalong ka sakhi ban trei na ka benta ban shakri bat ban wengi ka jing jong ki brio kalau ong ru bawa la ki dan kat tu kat ni ki bashim kabu habaki wan na kalong yeng long sem kalwa dan lupa ka seng Sainpyrthei hinre ka Iing Jong ka Dei ka Iing kabla sha hi kai ban trei shitam ban done ka jingkit kli ban trei na ka benta ka ribat ka jait ban rio.
In my opinion, when people talk about dynastic politics, I think they are forgetting one very important factor. Is that if you're already born into a family of politicians, you tend to have those skills and you tend to have that mind frame and that mindset also to serve the public. So I think I've been very fortunate that my family has been in politics for the last 50 years. And that means that we already know how to approach people. We already know what are the ways in which we can address their issues. And I think more importantly, that genuineness and that love for people. Okay, because we have seen from the time of my father to the time of my brother and to the current scenario where Amprin has proved beyond comparison that yes, it does matter a lot that you are coming from a family where we are already exposed to public life. I think this dynastic politics is something that maybe has been misconstrued, okay? Because unfortunately, it could also be that people take advantage of the power. But sorry, in my family, since the time of my father, we have not taken advantage of power and control. We work very hard, and that has been taught to us to work hard and to provide to the society.